VZ stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So VZ stock, or Verizon Communications, is sitting at $39.95, and I'm seeing like a 0.10% decrease in price. Now in general, this would have been awesome, you know, for me to buy as the price, like as long as the price was like inside this demand area, and unfortunately it went up and then went down quite hard. What I'm going to do is just get rid of all the drawings here because it's all over the place the way, and I'm just want to have like draw my clarity into existence, if you know what I mean. But other than that, man, like this is still a bullish chart. Doesn't matter that it's kind of retracing down, that's completely normal part of the game. I'm still marking out my demand area from here, and the only thing that will make me buy is if I see like the retracement coming down, and then if I see that double break, then and only then I'll buy. Everything else in the meantime, it's just going to be pure noise. So right, if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. That is a free newsletter. Goodbye.